Hi, in this video, we are going to learn how to tell the time by the hour.
Ryan, wake up. Why are you sleeping at this time?
What time, Sandra? What time it is?
It's 11 o'clock.
Already? Why just put my head down here so and I mean time gone already? I went to sleep last night at 10 p.m. I usually in bed by 8 p.m. and had to wake up this morning at 6 a.m. You believe that? To do some chores around the house? I am here so tired.
Well, you know that 12 o'clock will soon be here and that's lunchtime. And then you have to go and collect the children at 3 this evening. So, you better get back to work.
That's true, boy. It's a good thing you wake me up. I think I should wait till I get home this evening after 5 p.m. to get that much needed rest and get back to doing some work now.
I agree.
Thank you, Sandra.
Telling time. The hour. You just heard Ryan mention the hour at which he went to bed, woke up, and had to collect his children from school. He also spoke of AM and PM. Let us better understand these hours to which he is speaking and how they are represented on a clock face. First, we review the clock face. 12, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. These 12 numbers are used to represent the time of day. 12 o'clock, 1 o'clock, 2 o'clock, 3 o'clock, 4 o'clock, 5 o'clock, 6 o'clock, 7 o'clock, 8 o'clock, 9 o'clock, 10 o'clock, 11 o'clock, 12 o'clock. The clock has a shorter hour hand which points to the exact hour of the day. The clock also has a longer minute hand which points to the minutes after or before the hour. But we'll speak more on that later. For now, we will only look at the exact hour of the day. And for this, the minute hand is always exactly at 12. Midnight has been called the middle of the night, and as such, you should be fast asleep. 12 midnight, 1 o'clock a.m., 2 o'clock a.m., 3 o'clock a.m., 4 o'clock a.m., 5 o'clock a.m., 6 o'clock a.m. You remember Ryan said he got up at 6 o'clock in the morning. Tell me, what new sign in the sky would he have seen at 6 o'clock a.m.? This is what he saw when he looked outside at 6 a.m. Yes, he was able to see the sunrise at 6 a.m. You too should awake at 6 a.m. to prepare for your school day. 6 a.m., 7 a.m., 8 a.m., 9 a.m. At what time does your first lesson start? At primary school, your first lesson begins at 9 a.m. (10 a.m.), 11 a.m., 12 p.m., 12 noon, midday. What time is shown here? Your answer should have been 12 p.m. What event starts at school at 12 p.m.? Lunchtime. You were correct. Lunchtime is 12 p.m., known as midday or noon. What is your favorite lunch meal? (12 p.m.), 1 p.m. What happens at 1 p.m.? That's right. Lunch is over. Your lunchtime is over. And you have resumed classes for the afternoon session. Afternoon means after 12 midday, after 12 p.m. 1 p.m., 2 p.m. What time does the clock face show now? Can you tell me? If you say 3 p.m., you're correct. What happens at 3 p.m.? Yes, school is over. In the video, you heard Ryan say he had to collect his children at 3 p.m. 3 p.m., 4 p.m., 5 p.m. What did Ryan say he was going to do at 5 p.m.? Do you remember? He said he would go to bed at that time. Is this early or late? (5 p.m.), 6 p.m. What sign in the evening sky would you expect to see at 6 p.m.? Can you tell me? Sunset. Ryan might have seen the sunset if he were not asleep. 6 p.m., 7 p.m., 8 p.m. Do you ever see any of these hours in the nighttime? 9 p.m., 10 p.m., 11 p.m., 12 a.m., midnight. I wonder what you'll be doing at those hours. An old wise man once said, "Remember, tomorrow starts at midnight tonight." In our next video, we'll learn how to tell the time by the half hour and the quarter hour. See you then.